There is an amount of freedom that comes with the college experience.
For one, you have your own place.
Your dorm, but it's different from home.
So we're going to tell you 3 dorm don'ts that'll help you get through the school year safely.
Dorm don't number 1. Please don't hang anything on a sprinkler head or on the sprinkler piping. I know the temptation is huge. The closets are really small.
But these are extremely fragile devices that are here to protect us. You see this little glass contraption on the inside of the sprinkler head? It can break very easily. When it does, water goes everywhere.
I'm not talking a sprinkle, I'm talking a torrential downpour. This massive amount of water will ruin your stuff, your roommate's stuff, and the stuff of the students on the floors below you.
Don't be that person.
Dorm don't number 2 and number 3 revolve around food.
Don't number 2 focuses on your microwave. It's a fantastic invention for us college students, but can also cause problems. It can wreak havoc if left unattended. So, do not walk away from the microwave while cooking.
Have you ever burned popcorn? It's disgusting. The smoke, the smell. Know that one little bag of popcorn can cause pure pandemonium in the residence hall.
The fire alarms blare, everyone has to evacuate the building.
Talk about embarrassing.
And so much for studying or sleeping.
So, accidents happen. If you do burn something, open your dorm window first, not the doorway to the hall.
This may help you isolate the event and not set off the building fire alarm, and keep some friends in the process.
Don't number 3 centers around the oven and the stove. Here too, don't take your eyes off of it while you're cooking.
Bad things can and will happen.
Guess what a common cause of a dorm kitchen fire is? A pizza box in a hot oven. Boxes burn, so don't put them in the oven, even on a low temperature. Doing so could put you and your hallmates in danger.
Also, do not put things that burn on top of the stove. Books, towels, pizza boxes.
Think about it. Before you came into the kitchen, someone may have had that burner on high and it hasn't cooled off yet. Or you may mistakenly turn on the wrong burner. It happens to the best of us.
There's also a financial cost. You may be responsible per your housing agreement to pay for the damages. Textbooks already cost enough. Who wants that expense?
Now let's recap our dorm don'ts.
Number 1, don't hang anything on a sprinkler. That includes the sprinkler head and any exposed sprinkler piping.
2, watch your microwave like a hawk. Don't leave it unattended while you're cooking.
And 3, don't put things that burn in the oven or on the stovetop.
Being mindful of these don'ts will make you a great neighbor. It's also okay to remind your dorm mates about them. After all, there's safety in numbers. Thanks for watching.